हाय हेलो नमस्कार। इस चैनल में आने के लिए आप सभी को फिर से आभार। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मालवेयर। मालवेयर पार्ट 37 आईटी सपोर्ट क्लास। पिछले वीडियो में हमने सीआईए कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, इंटेग्रिटी और अवेलेबिलिटी इसके बारे में पढ़ा था। दिस आर द फाउंडिंग पिलर्स ऑफ सिक्योरिटी। सो बट व्हाट इज द थिंग विच वी बैटल एवरी डे, दैट इज मालवेयर। मतलब सिक्योरिटी प्रोटोकॉल्स क्यों इंप्लीमेंट किया जाता है, ताकि हम इन मैलिशियस सॉफ्टवेयर यानी मैलवेयर से बच सके। सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मैलवेयर। इट इज अ मैलिशियस सॉफ्टवेयर। मैलिशियस मींस which is meant to do harm. It is a malicious software that can be used to obtain sensitive information or delete and modify files. So it is pretty much self-explanatory. Means it is used to retrieve sensitive data. Means आपके personal data को retrieve करने के लिए आपके बैंक अकाउंट नंबर, कार्ड डिटेल्स, कुछ भी, या कुछ भी आपके important files को delete करने के लिए या उसको modify करने के लिए. So malwares are basically software. Like we have software, but these are malicious. So malicious is the difference between a normal software and a malware, means which is intended to do harm to other people. So malicious is the key word between software and malware. So there are 10 types of common malware. So we will cover it in 3 videos. In this video I will just give the brief introduction. The next video we will talk about 5, and the next video we will talk about the next 5, because we can't cover the 10 of these in single video. It will take 3 videos, so it will be on 3 parts. So this video is introductory video, and you will first know the names and a brief introduction of that. So the main which we all know is virus. Virus is very common. We talk about computer virus, not coronavirus or which affects human. We talk about viruses that affect computer. So what is a virus? Virus is a program. The main thing of virus is that this virus is also like our human being virus, because they need a carrier. They cannot self-propagate. So the virus is always embedded in a program. Let's say if we are installing a software or anything from an unauthorized store, then the virus will be included in that software packages. The virus cannot independently exist, just like our normal virus. It needs a carrier, it needs a program in which it attaches itself and then infect the computer. For example, let's say USB. So a USB contains some certain files. So when we plugged in our USB, then the virus will be hidden in the files. So if there is no file, then the virus cannot exist. So it needs some root to target into our computer. So virus doesn't exist itself. It needs some carrier like a program in which it can infect, and then when it enters any laptop and system, then it can multiply. So virus is like our normal virus. It can't multiply on its own. It needs a program to get in, and once it gets into a system, it is very hard to detect because it will spread into everywhere. Then we have to reset it. Second is worms. Worms is like virus only, but worms can exist independently. They don't need a program. For example, there is an email and there is an attachment. So when we click on the attachment, the worm directly get attached into the computer. They don't need to install anything. They are independent things. They can't affect our computer without installing any program, anything. If we click on the link, if it's a worm, then it will directly get affected. If it's a virus, it needs some downloading, some installation, then only it can manipulate and can control the thing. Now adware means it is not harmful adware, but it is a malware because they show us continuous ads, which is not necessary for us. So it is type of a malware because we don't need that ads. Suppose for example, when you open a software, there is 10-12 ads and we can't operate that, then it is a type of malware because it is impeding or hindering our productivity. Spyware means which is used to spy on people, like the governments use Pegasus. There is a spyware which was famous 2-3 months ago. Pegasus was a spyware, Israeli spyware, which was used to tap into the phones of many political leaders, judges of Supreme Court, and some opposition leaders also. So spyware is basically targeted towards people with power or with influence or money, so that they can get some information or anything, or they can send some false information. Fifth is ransomware. There was a virus 2-3 years ago, WannaCry. So that was a virus which targeted our computer, and they demanded some money for that. If we don't pay the money, then the computer all the data in the computer get deleted. So ransom means like for when we kidnap anyone and we demand ransom, means some money so that we can liberate you. So that is the same concept, but in this scenario we use a computer. So when a virus affects a computer and it shows a message that you have to pay 10,000 to this account, otherwise your data will be deleted, then that is a ransomware. So these are the 5 things. Botnet is so we will discuss these all things later, but just remember the name: botnets, backdoor, rootkit, logic bomb, and trojan. So there are 10 type of this. We will discuss these 5 in the upcoming video, but just remember the names. So anywhere if you see, you can remember that it is a malware. At least we know that it is a malware. It is not intended to increase your productivity or to add value. It is only intended to harm you in some way. I don't know which day, but it is intended because it's a malicious software. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा और आपको समझ में आया होगा. अगर आपको वर्ड्स वापस देखना है, नाम देखना है, तो आप वीडियो पॉज करके देख सकते हो. और अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट हो, अभी तो हमने डिस्कस नहीं किया डेप्थ में, लेकिन जब आपको डाउट हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हो. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको अच्छा लगा वीडियो. नेक्स्ट ऐसे ही इसी कंटिन्यूशन में फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय.